Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, western Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Welsh, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
2 inches size
People
hail?
and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eunice, Jennings, Welsh, Iota, Mermentau, Evangeline, Morse, Egan, Esterwood, Hathaway, Midland, and Roanoke. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Louisiana. Flood watch in effect through